Reading skill is one of the most essential things to improve communication ability. There is no question about it. Reading skill also fundamental to functioning in today's society. Even still, there are many of us who cannot filling out application become impossible without help. In the present age of communication, even though we have so many modes such as telegraph, radio, television, internet to transmit out ideas, but none of them has taken away the importance of reading. English is studied as a second language in India. The learners are exposed to this language that is entirely different from their mother tongue, both in style and content. The tongue is accustomed to speak one's mother tongue. To speak in English, our tongue needs to be trained and tamed, and this can be achieved by only constant and consistent reading. So we need to be understand one thing that without having reading skill, absolutely we can't speak in English as fluency. Apart from that, reading habit will develop the mind. Understanding the written word is one way the mind grow in its ability. Reading helps to enhance the vocabulary ability. A person who knows how to read, they can go anywhere in the world. By reading, we can improve our spelling correctly and also our growth of language learning gets improved. What you read, it goes to your mind and you started to viewing, observing and doing the things with a different angle. Reading improves your confidence to speak with anyone else without stammer. It will reduce your fearness from your mind. If you are practiced in reading continuously, then you will get rest of the all things to speak in fluency English. So your communication ability things is enhanced as very quickly only when you are absolutely focused on your reading in which way you are involved. So focus on the reading and then become as an English speaker. Do love to read.